welcome back. This is part 26 and I want to show you something that I did. I fixed the materials and made them better. Before we had quads rendering with the decal when we shot an object tagged with stone or any other tag which is in our script. So the decal effects, I made them better. I actually had to delete the whole Unity Technologies pack, the whole folder, and I re-imported both of them. So I imported the legacy one and the new one. So how I did this is I just select the material, and all you have to actually do is, this was already done before. I just enable alpha clipping, and when you do that you have a 0.1 threshold. You can see that's the issue that we fixed. So you have to enable alpha clipping on most of the particles, effects and everything to get this nice little circle instead of a quad, and that's what fixed it. And now I have also made this, instead of green it is red. So if I hit the play button, you will see my effects look way better. I can shoot, except for some reason they're really big. So you can see the blood effect is different now. So you can actually try out multiple things. You can also try making them transparent. So I had to actually work this whole out. All of this was done in like 20 minutes, so I didn't want to add that to our video. You just have to enable alpha clipping on the particles which don't need a quad. So this one here looks good now. For some reason the blood mist and the blood streaks were green, so I just made them red. Alright, so let's get back in the script. The issue to fix that for some reason the scale of our object is the decal itself is really big when we hit an object. So let's see what we can do. If we manually set parent, what's gonna happen, and will that fix it or not? So decal, game object decal, and decal. You just need to do decal.transform, let's set parent. Let me see if this works. Hit dot transform. It won't work, so it won't. Because the decal itself is a game object, so we need to keep that as a game object as well. Anyway, so now we have that done. Let's see if it fixed anything. Oh, so it did do something. So let's just copy all of this. A game object decal, paste. Copy that and paste it as well underneath both of these. I have all of the same effects. And now if we press the play button again, this is a good effect. Oh, looks like I made some mistakes. Why is it still like that? I'm not sure. Let me just get out of play mode. So they're all same, so you can see the effect is same. We have a bullet impact. Just treat it as a cube. Yes, so it looks like something has gone wrong, because you can see that the original decal is really small. Why is this not working? Oops, I forgot to delete the cube that I had just made in the prefab mode, so let me double click to go inside that. Yes, I can see a cube which we don't need, so delete that. And we clearly saw one thing, which was the cube had scaled. Oh, there you are. So let's just see now what happens. It looks like when you what? So that's an issue. That would mean we need to set them all to 1. So whenever you're building anything, the scale should always be 1. So if I hit the play button again, shoot at this one, and that one, you can see the effect is all okay, and all the blood effects seem good as well. So basically I made a mistake. I forgot to remove the parenting in the instantiate function, so we are still parenting it. You can see the hit.transform, but now that we know that we need to keep it as 1, so all of our things should be set to 1. So there you are. So that was the issue. Let me just Command Z. I had made a mistake when I was recording this video. So now if we remove this, it should not cause any issues to us. Even if we scale the object, so it won't matter anymore. Set parent does something that doesn't let that go bad. Let's see if that is true. So let's put this back on 3.3, and all of these back to 3 as original. Let's scale that one a bit more so that we can see if we get the stretchy effect again and make that small. Let's just hit the play button again, and hopefully I think it's gonna work all fine. So there you are. I made some mistakes, but now I know the fix, and it's done. So the decal somehow always is correctly scaled, because set parent has some functionality that scales the object it divides it by the other objects to scale. So if itself it is 1 and the object is 2, it's just gonna put the object that's gonna be parented at 0.5. So cause it to look like it was actually the same scale. So that's a good thing. All the effects are looking nice. Now let's continue with the video. Let me just save my project and come back here. Let's go into the follow transform path. So we had to fix a jittery cam issue. If you had noticed, when we are walking, there's this funny movement of our player, which is not looking great. The gun is just moving very funnily, which I wouldn't have any words to say, or I mean, it's just like a jittery movement, so I just said that. Just fix camera jittery movement, and I found a very simple fix. Just made that layer update in the follow transform poster script. Once you do that, it just makes it all smooth. So now if I move, I can walk, and there's no movement at all on the gun. It looks better. If I aim, I'm still moving, and really that's looking really good. I can even jump, and the gun will never actually do that thing that I was doing before. That's really a good thing that I did. Even if I crouch or I rotate the keys fast, it won't cause any jittery, so we can just close that script, and that's really gonna be the end of the video.